I tried to open the Wulills battery with these tools, and I pushed it over there and something like that, and this one over here and there and there, and yeah, it lasts more than 2 hours to open this box. It was quite difficult, but yeah, I finished it without destroying the case. So let's see inside. So now the battery case is open. We look inside. Here's a lot of glue to fix the lid, distance spacer, and here are the cells. So let's look inside. I opened it with a cutter, and now I can open it, and here I'll see 16 pouch cells. But I want to get to the top, and I need to lift the whole yellow box up, and yeah, it's fixed on the bottom, and I have to think about it how I get it up. Here is in red the BMS, and here you can see the display, the Supnova I described in another video, and you can see the Supnova display is not connected with the BMS, just with plus and minus. So I got the yellow box. I got it up. First, the spacer. I removed them from the wall over here. And over there was a Chinese super glue. It was quite difficult, but yeah, that's it. And then I could grab the yellow box, tilt it to me, and yeah, raise it. So now here is it, and now I can move it to my table. Now the battery is on my table. Cut off the cable from the BMS, and yeah, this is the open side. Useless, but now it's open. I will fix it, and here I open it this side, and here you can see the cell type. Then I can open this one and see the cell connection. So now I'm going deeper and further. So let's measure the voltage. Over here and here, 51.8 volt. Okay, now the single cells. 1. The unit, this is better. 3.26 volt. 3.26 volt, 3.26 volt, 3.26 volt, 3.26 volt, okay, 3.26 volt, 3.26 volt, and 3.26 volt. The other way, 3.25 volt, 3.25 volt. Ah, this one, this is it, just 3.20 volt. This cell is it. Okay. 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 And this one. Okay. So in here we can see the problem. There is one cell with voltage under 2.5 volts. So the BMS activates its protection mode. So let's see. It's correct. And now, and this is the problem. This one is fine. This one is fine. But here, this is the reason why this battery have a big problem. And now I try to fix it. Now I put a charger on the cell with 2.49 volts and it's charging. And now let's check. 2.76 volt. Yeah, charging. I leave it there and I will check it later. It's slowly charging. We came from 2.49 up to 2.84, maybe soon 2.85. Yeah, it's working, so we will wait. I think charging the battery was enough, 3.18 volts, and that's the same like this one here. Yes. And this one. Yeah. And this one. That's fine. Check this again. Yes. Okay, let's try it if it works. I wait 2 hours after charging the battery and now I will test it again. .17 volt, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, great. Now I will stick everything together and test the battery. So I put the battery together and I wake up the battery from BMS protection, and now it's working, and I will discharge battery with more power to see how long it lasts. So after several times and each cell, I charged every cell and discharged the whole battery. And the problem was the BMS protected the battery at round about 49.8 volt. And now the battery, after discharging, I'm sorry, 43.1 volt. It's completely discharged, so it's enough with testing, and I'm fine with it.